I was going to watch a movie, but I fell asleep.
I was going to send you a message yesterday, but I forgot, sorry.
I was going to buy you a gift, but I couldn't decide.
I was going to make a cake for you, but I didn't have enough flour.
I was going to go for a run, but it started to rain. I was going to go to the gym today, but things took longer than expected. I was going to attend a meeting, but I forgot about it. I was going to finish my report, but my internet went out. I was going to start working, but the cat sat on my computer.
I was going to meet up with you, but I got sick.
I was going to study, but my computer broke down.
I was going to water the garden, but I felt lazy.
I was going to clean, but the mess looked so artistic I didn't want to ruin it. I was going to tidy up the room, but I got lost inside it.
I was going to clean the house, but I couldn't decide whether to start with the dishes or the laundry, so I started watching a movie instead.
I was going to make dinner, but I wanted to go out for a romantic dinner with you instead.
I was going to marry him, but I realized he thinks Wi-Fi is more important than love.
I was going to go on holiday, but I was run out of money.